Hi there, Jimmy House with Day One Vacuum Sales and Service, Louisville, Kentucky, right here in the Highlands. Today I'm going to be showing you the Sebo Dart. It's made in Germany. It's a nice, compact upright with loaded features and quality. So right off the jump, you have your switch right here at your fingertips, a 31-foot cord, dusty brush, crevice tool right here on board, a nice 6-foot hose. I love how it stays right along the unit and it doesn't hang off and get in your way. Down here on the nozzle, you have 4 different height adjustments, so you can lower and raise the nozzle off the ground depending on the type of area rug or water wall carpet you may have. You have the brush roll turn off button right here, so you can turn the roller on and off when you transition from carpet to hardwood. The favorite feature of mine is how you can remove this nozzle. In case you pick up a toy or a sock, they put a nice door right here in the middle of the nozzle so you can remove the object very easily. You can also remove the end cap and get that roller out and service the roller, get all that hair off of there without any tools. Put the roller back in, line up this nozzle, cap, insert it just like that. Line this up and it just snaps right in place. The Sebo Dart normally comes with a stock 5-year warranty. Right now, if you purchase it from an authorized dealer like myself, we can upgrade you to a 10-year motor warranty, 10-year non-wearable part warranty, and 7-year on the labor. Come check us out. We're at 1523 Barstown Road, Louisville, Kentucky, right here in the Highlands. Thank you so much.